Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on many of our minds: how to prepare our mental health for the next pandemic. As we've seen, pandemics can be challenging, but with the right mindset and tools, we can navigate them more smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the impact of pandemics on mental health. The uncertainty, isolation, and constant news updates can be overwhelming. It's crucial to acknowledge these feelings and understand that it's okay to feel anxious or stressed. Recognizing the impact is the first step in managing it. Building resilience is key. Incorporate daily practices like meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in nature. These activities help calm the mind and build mental strength. Remember, resilience isn't about avoiding stress, but learning how to cope with it effectively. Staying connected with loved ones is more important than ever. Whether it's a video call, a text, or a socially distanced meetup, maintaining relationships can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of loneliness. While staying informed is important, too much news can heighten anxiety. Set boundaries for news consumption. Choose specific times to check updates and stick to reliable sources. This way, you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Therapists and counselors can provide valuable tools and support. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Thanks for watching. Preparing our mental health for future challenges is crucial, and I hope these tips help you feel more equipped. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. Stay safe and